Click the Store tab to view all the Straight Talk training materials available, including the Straight Talk book, the video workshop, and the trainer license and workshop materials. As you will see back on your home page, there is also an option to request an LRI-facilitated Straight Talk workshop for your company. Send an email to office@leadingresources.com to submit the request. Please feel free to reach out for assistance by clicking the contact button in the upper right corner of the home screen. You can also click the Send Feedback button in the upper left corner to submit questions or comments about Straight Talk.